welcome back to the channel, and I thought I would do a feature on how to dial in pops and bangs on your Mazda using the cob unit and the AF and the ATR file. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to talk you through what to change so you can get your pops and bangs and how it generates the pops and bangs, because you can either have it pop or not have it pop as you're driving. Okay. It's been working fine on my car. If for some reason it doesn't work on your car, revert back to your old map, and I take no responsibility if your engine blows up, because pops and bangs is, it is what it is. There's some information to say with it burns your valves and ruins your turbo and all the usual speculation, but I haven't researched it, so I wouldn't know whether that's true or not. But if nothing else, you can load it up and run around with it for a few days until you get fed up with it, and then revert back to your normal map. So I'll show you how to do it now. Okie doke peeps. Right, so what we want to do is you want to get your ATR file, open that up, that you would have got with your cob. And if Justin's tuning you, you should have a copy of it. Once you're onto this one, what we need to do is open up a map. So load the map that's most recent on your car that you're running at the minute. Double click, that's that loaded. Then we want to go to ignition tables. Open up ignition tables. Go down to ignition table low throttle CL knocking, and the table will come up like this. Now what we want to do is we want to change these tables here. So from 3000 to 7000 RPM, just the top row. So you want to click on your first one, then hold your shift button and click on the last one. So they're all highlighted. Right mouse click, go to direct value edit, and then you can input a minus amount. So minus 20 is the maximum you can have. So if you want just a little bit of pops and bangs, a minus 18 is quite good. So just put minus 18.00. Click OK, and you'll see the values change. There you go. And they've all gone to red, which means you've changed them. So once that's done, move along then to your throttle CL no locking, or no knocking even, and do exactly the same. So the first one, select the last one by holding shift and select, and it didn't work. Shift and select, there we go. Right mouse click in the cell itself, go down to direct value edit and make it exactly the same, so minus 18.00, and click enter, and then all the values changed. Once that's done, we need to go then to shift control tables beta. Open that up, and we need to alter these parameters now. So the ignition time minimum throttle closed needs to be minus 20, as you can see. So right mouse click, direct value edit again, and minus 20. Mine already says it because it's already been altered. Once that one's done, move down to the next one and input that one, which is minus 15.50. And then next one for throttle open is minus 19. And then for the last one, minus 13.50. Once you're done, go up to File, click Save Map, and rename it. Rename it your pop and bang. Don't name it over the top of the one you've just loaded up. So rename add the little title in, pop and bang, so you know what it's about. Then you can go back and change it if you want more pops or you want less pops. Okay, and just click finish, and then you're done. Get your cob unit, hook it up, load the map onto your cob unit, go and load it on your car, and then go and experiment on how to get your pops and bangs. Now what is happening here is we've set it to 3,000 RPM, so if you rev it over to about, I don't know, 3,500, maybe a bit more over 3,500, and come off the throttle, but then just slightly press your foot on the accelerator, almost like it's nearly resting on it, and then you'll get the hang of it, and you'll hear it start pam, 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 pam. And that's basically how you can get it. If you just come off the throttle, it just doesn't do it. You've actually got to apply a little bit of throttle on it, but it's the tiniest amount. I'm talking like a millimetre of throttle position. So you literally just need to rest your foot on it. You'll get the hang of it once you start getting out and you figuring out how to do it. Third gear is a good gear to do it in. Fifth gear is really good fun because obviously the revs take a lot longer to come down. So it pops and bangs for ages. Yeah, go and have fun annoying your neighbours, and hope you enjoyed the video. Like and share, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe. If you like the video, press the likey button, and I'll see you all again. Hope this was informative, and go and have some fun with your Mazda. Bye for now.